It's a beautiful night, and it is pouring rain, and all of us were out playing in the rain. The boys are still out there, but I was freezing, so I had to run back in. It's just what we needed tonight. It's the first night that Ryder's in hospice. We're at the Ryan house. So it was an amazing family moment to be able to come and dance in the rain and feel at peace and be happy. Ryder's sleeping so peacefully right now, and it sounds so beautiful, and the boys are playing. It's a good night. Maybe the Angels are having a bowling party for Rye. Wouldn't that be fun? We're talking about our Make-A-Wish trip for Ryder, and since we can't travel with him anymore, we're talking about throwing him a big birthday party, and Les wanted to do a bowling party, but I don't think it's a great idea because he doesn't like the loud noise right now. It looks like he has a headache, so I think the Angels are bowling for him tonight. And there's so much life tonight. The trees are just going. We feel so much love and support from everybody. I don't know if you can see the boys out there. I don't think so. You can see them kind of walking. I don't want to get the phone wet. We all threw on our bathing suits. Well, it looks like they're coming in. We've really been blessed with the best people in our lives, the best family and the best friends. So glad we have each other. Is it cold, guys? What? Did it? It's so windy. I wouldn't doubt it. I'm not going out there. It's too cold for me now. Crazy boys. It's cold. I had to come in. What happened?
A needle.
Are you okay?
Yeah. You mean a cactus needle? I'm staying in the way.
Let me see. Ow.
It didn't hurt.
It didn't hurt. Don't put it on my tummy.
That was pretty cool.
That was fun. It was cold.
No, give me the no.
Was that fun, Tai Tai?
Yeah.
I couldn't believe you stayed out there the longest. Like, you were out there. I was...
Me?
No, Tai Tai.
I was out the longest.
I was freezing.
I was out the longest.
No, you
They
weren't.
wanted to spend all night out there.
No, you weren't.
I'm still out.
I was only out there for like 2 minutes, and then I was freezing.
2 seconds.
No, I was out there longer.
2 seconds.
That was refreshing.
It was.
That was better than a pool.
So nice.
Yeah.
There's towels right here, guys.
Oh.
Yeah, I just got some towels for you guys.
Baby.
You're welcome.
Feels good.
Okay, say night.
Good night.
Good night. Oh, Noah Lance.